Welcome to Dipansh video time. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a rainbow or a saw on scratch. Now, what type? Because there are a lot of saws, right? If I play a saw platformer, like over here, you see, let me go here and let me just find a saw. You see these saws over here? I'm going to be showing you how you can make that. Now, with a saw code, what can you make? First thing is, well, with today's video, what can you make is the question. Because you don't wanna make the same game every time, right? So you can create a platformer like the one I am showing you right now. With that you can create a dodge the saw game or a game that you have to demolish. You can use the rotating code to make it look a little bit more nicer. And then with that, you can do more other things like animation, support that part. And then with that, you can do more things well, you can put it in the comment box. Okay. So with that, we can start. Okay. So first, we can go to my stuff, wrecking ball, and let's play and make. First, I'll need a variable called x, a variable called y, a variable called high. Oops. High, but cloud variable, and a variable called score. Click OK. Okay, so these are the variables we need. Okay. So first we'll need a when green flag click block. Set. Now we will do some settings. So make a block. Setup. Set me up. So x, y to 0, and then with that score to 0. With that, we can put a setup block in the when green flag click, and we can replace with a forever block. Okay, let's add two ifs, and with that on the top, a change y by -1. Okay. Okay, you can set height to 0. After that, we can put the key right and key left, arrow key presses. We can change our x variable. Change x by 1 and change x by -1. With that, you can put a set x to x times 0.9. Like that. And then we can put a change x by x. Now we can put a change y by y. Oh, excuse me. So change y by y. Now if touching ground, so if you're touching the ground, change So we can put a change y by y times -1. Okay, great. Next we can put a set y, well, just put it like that. And then we can set y to 0. We also want to put a position for the player. So I'm just going to put the position up in the air. Okay, great. Everything till now looks good. Now I will add the jumping code. Jumping code is not. Wait a second. 5 blocks. It's actually 7 blocks. I'm going to show you how. Change y by 1. I mean, -1 is 1 block. Then if is one another. Then and is the third. Then touching ground is the fourth. Touch key up arrow is the fifth. Set y to 17 is the sixth. And change y by 1 is the seventh. And yeah, we basically just made the simple platform. Okay, now for the rectangle. The code is actually quite simple. We can make it turn to 90. Then I am going to be putting it somewhere around there. So when the green flag is clicked, we can go to this position, point in this direction, go to back layer, and then we can add a forever. First repeat 100 times, 100 times. We will change x by -5, then repeat 100 times, change x by 5. Okay, so it works quite nice. Now, we can make the wrecking ball rotate while it moves. So we can add a when green flag clicked, forever, rotate. 15 degrees. Yeah, I knew it was too fast. 7 degrees. Okay, great. Now in the player, we can do something. So when green flag is clicked, I will set timer to 0, set timer, or we can set score to 0, forever, change score by 1. If, now here's the good part. The score is very high. So if score is greater than high, we can set high to score. And then we can wait a second. Then We can set height to 0 for now because it's very high. And then we can wait 1 second. So it will get some time. There. Nice. Okay, good. We have the score and high score ready. What do we have next? If we have a quick time, yeah, we have some time. Okay, we can set backdrop to backdrop 1 when the game starts. Now we have to add text, right? Totally forgot that one. So if touching wrecking ball, I will firstly do this. Set backdrop to 2. Well, I have to create a second backdrop. So this will be named Game Over. And then we can set backdrop to backdrop 2. Now, okay, we can then stop all. Actually, I've been waiting for adding some sounds. So let's add some sounds. I added an image jump sound. And image game over sound. And a main music sound. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so first I want to add the jump sound by putting this. Set start play sound jump until done. See, if you put it other way around, it will play the sound first, then it will jump. So play sound jump after. It sets the Y to 17. Okay, good. Next is the play sound game over until done. You can put it on the touching wrecking ball. Next thing is another when green flag clicked forever. I will play sound music until done. Okay, so yeah, our game is working. Thank you and meet you in the next video. Bye. Bye.